to delete TikTok Notes account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your TikTok Notes account. So for that, first of all you have to do is just simply open your TikTok account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your TikTok account, just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And from there, just click on the three dot menu icon from the top right hand side corner of the screen. And there you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on settings and privacy. And over here, just simply click on account from the top. And on this page, you will be able to see the list of the things that you can explore. Just simply click on deactivate and delete account. And over here, you have two options. Either you can deactivate your account temporarily, or you can go ahead and delete your TikTok Notes account permanently. So if you want to delete your account, just simply click on delete account permanently. And after that, you need to select a reason why you are leaving TikTok. Just simply select any of the reason here, and after that, just simply click on continue. And over here, you need to confirm your action by clicking on this checkbox, and after that, just simply click on continue. And that's how your TikTok account will be deleted. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your TikTok Notes account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.